Good morning, dear children. Army Public School Primary Wing Udhampur welcomes Class 1 to the online classes of subject GK. Children, today we will learn about the different things that we see in the sky. For example, first one is the sun. Sun is the closest star to the earth. It is the biggest star that we can see. Rainbow. Rainbow is usually formed when there is a little bit rain and a sunshine. So, it is formed of 7 colors. In the night sky, you can see many stars twinkling in the night and a bright moon. Moon can be seen in different shapes. Sometimes it is full moon and sometimes it is half moon or sometimes it is no moon. Comets. Comets are made of rocks, ice and gas. They go around the sun. They look like a flash of light with a long tail. Halley's Comet is the best known comet. Now children, we will do the book exercise of page number 24. On this page you can see there are clues given in the box and you have to fill in these blanks. I am the dash starting with the letter S. So it can be sun. I am a rainbow. RAINBOW. In the third picture, you can see a moon. I am the moon. MOON. In the fourth picture, you can see a star. I am a star. STAR. Now take out book page 26. In this page, you are having a word game. In this, we have to find out the odd one. For example, number 1 has been done for you. Breakfast, dinner, lunch, sandwich. Sandwich will be the odd one out, as all other are the meals of the day. Number 2 is Tamil, Bihar, Punjabi, Marathi. As you can see, Tamil, Punjabi and Marathi are the languages except Bihar. Bihar is the state. Number 3, morning, afternoon, dark, night. Morning, afternoon and night are the timings of the day, whereas dark is the condition. So, circle dark. Number 4, eyes, nails, lips, ears. Eyes, lips and ears you can see on the face, whereas nails you cannot see on the face. So, circle nails. Number 5, chair, table, cot, pillow. Children, circle pillow as chair, table and cot can be used to sit. Number 6, tomato, biscuit, bread, cake. Circle tomato as biscuit, bread and cake are the snacks. Now children, let's learn about the food habits of animals. Animals who eat other animals are known as carnivores, whereas the animals who eat only leaves and grass are known as herbivores. Now, you can see in this picture few examples of carnivores. For example, fox, wolf, lion, shark. In this picture, you can see herbivorous animals that eat grass. For example, cow, goat, deer, horse and many other animals. Now children, on page number 27, you have to do this book exercise where write in the circle C for carnivores and H for herbivores. For example, number 1 is shark. So shark is considered as carnivores. So we will write C in the circle. Number 2, horse. Write H in the circle as horse is herbivore animal. Number 3, elephant. H in the circle as elephant is an herbivore animal. Crocodile. Put C in the circle. Lion. Carnivore. Put C in the circle. Number 6 is sheep. It's a herbivore. Put H in the circle. H. Goat. Number 7 is goat. Put H in the circle. Number 8 is eagle. Carnivore. Put C in the circle. Now, children, let's learn about some amazing facts about animals. Children, on page number 44, they have been given some amazing animals. So, let's learn about these animals. For example, in the first picture, you can see an elephant. An elephant uses the trunk for fighting, digging, lifting objects, gathering food, and stripping the bark from trees. Number 2 is koala bear. A female koala bear carries her baby in a pouch on her belly. Number 3 is a kangaroo. A kangaroo uses the back legs for standing and jumping. Number 4 is a camel. Camel is also called the sheep of the desert. Number 5 is a giant panda. You know which is the favorite food of a giant panda? Yes, it is a bamboo stick. Number 6, what do you think the most difficult task for a giraffe will be? Yes, it is drinking water from the ground, as giraffe is having a long neck. Frog, they can live both on land and in water. They have sticky tongues. Loin belongs to the family of a cat. Turtle, they don't have teeth and they can smell. Children, there is a prey and predator relationship among animals. Predator is the animal that hunts, and prey is the animal that has been eaten by the predator. Children, now on the page number 44 and 45 we can do this book exercise. What part of their body do elephants use for fighting, digging, lifting objects, gathering food and stripping the bark from trees? Yes, it is
B. Tusks.
How does a female koala bear carry her baby? Yes, in a pouch on her belly. Number 3 is, which part of its body does a kangaroo use for standing and jumping? Yes, back legs. Number 5, which of the following is the favorite food of a giant panda? Yes, it is number C, bamboo. So children, this was all about page number 44. Now you will learn on page number 45 some more facts. Which of the following is not true about monkeys? They stand and walk mostly on their 2 hind legs. They are intelligent animals. Or the most monkeys peel bananas before eating them. What do you think is the correct answer? Yes, they stand and walk mostly on their 2 hind legs. Now children, which of the following is a more difficult task for a giraffe? Yes, it is drinking water from the ground. Number 8 is, which of the following is not true about frogs? What do you think is the correct answer? Yes, it is. Most frogs have long tails and only a few have small tails. As the adult frogs, they don't have tail. Number 9, to which family do lions belong? Yes, you are right. It's a cat. Number 10, which of the following is not true about turtles? Yes, it's B. They shed their shells every year, which is not true. So children, this was all about the GK book pages. Now please complete the book pages. Thank you. Have a nice day.